Multi-unit pest strategy for new home construction must be integrated at the design phase to prevent pests moving through shared walls and foundations. Design with a building-wide, integrated pest management plan that starts before the foundation is poured and continues through occupancy, specifying continuous prevention, monitoring, and targeted treatment rather than sporadic reactive fixes. Install continuous rodent and insect monitoring points in centralized utility chases and accessible crawl spaces so technicians can inspect without disturbing units. Use tamper-resistant bait stations where appropriate and place them at regular intervals based on building layout. Seal common chases, penetrations, and service conduits with long-lasting materials such as cementitious sealants, metal flashing, or silicone formulations rated for exterior use to stop gap-driven movement of pests. Document each seal location in the as-built drawings for future maintenance. Centralize mechanical and landscape schedules, so irrigation, trash collection, and exterior lighting are managed to reduce attractants and moisture pockets that draw pests. Plan drainage away from foundations and ensure mulch and plantings are kept at least 18 inches from exterior walls. Require tenant orientation materials and move-in checklists that explain how to avoid attracting pests, how to report sightings, and how to store food and refuse. Include simple diagrams showing where to report maintenance requests. Contractually retain a single pest management contractor for the project, so there is continuity of records, consistent monitoring intervals, and a single treatment protocol that prevents piecemeal approaches which allow pests to recruit cysts. Common mistakes include treating individual units in isolation, which lets pests move through shared infrastructure and nullifies localized efforts, so require building-wide inspections and synchronized treatments. Another issue is neglecting sealing around chases and penetrations during construction, which creates long-term conduits, so include sealing milestones on punch lists and verify with field checklists. A third concern is rotating contractors or inconsistent monitoring that breaks the inspection chain and leads to delayed responses, so specify a primary contractor in the operations plan and maintain a single set of inspection logs to ensure continuity. We operate BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to help contractors find work on multi-unit projects. On our site, we maintain a discussion community where owners, managers, and contractors share real-world experiences and practical advice about integrated pest approaches and other construction topics.